everyone and welcome to Packed. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you everything that you need for our trip to Bali. This trip has some major bucket list experiences, from trekking up to Mount Batur to snorkelling around the beautiful Gili Islands. Our packing list covers everything you'll need for these experiences, so let's get straight into it. So a travel tag and passport wallet are both really important. All you have to do is pop all your essential bits in here, like your passport, boarding passes, and that's pretty much all you're gonna need at the airport. As I mentioned in our last video, a portable phone charger is really great. This one is about 10,000 milliamp hours, and this is about 3 phone chargers worth. So this is a really good one. Obviously, if you wanna charge your tablet as well, it'll charge it up just slightly less. So you are, of course, gonna need a travel adapter. The one you're going to need for Bali is actually the same as the European one, which just has 2 round soccer points like that. We are actually aiming to provide clean water tanks on 50% of our flashback adventures by 2023. So one small thing you can do to play your part to help plastic pollution is taking a reusable water bottle and some stainless steel straws with you. In Bali, you will be visiting some really beautiful temples and religious places. So it is important to make sure that you're bringing with you some dresses or a long skirt, maybe even a lightweight scarf, just so that you can cover up your shoulders and your knees. One of our absolute bucket list experiences on our Bali trip is the sunrise trek up to Mount Batur. This is actually regarded as one of Bali's most sacred mountains and is so immensely beautiful. So you will be tackling some pretty rocky alpine paths, so gloves will really help you along the way, as will some good solid hiking shoes. But make sure they're not brand new because you really don't want blisters ruining your day. So it is a pretty early start. We leave at 2 a.m, so it is best to bring with you a good old head torch. Make sure you always come prepared. You just never know when there may be a tropical downpour, so make sure that you come prepared with a good solid rain jacket. A microfiber travel towel is also really good. They come in all kinds of sizes and are super absorbent and really quick to dry. So this is so much better than lugging around a big towel with you. Whether you're doing a bit of snorkeling or trekking, these Polaroid cameras are so great for summer travels. And obviously the best thing about them is that you can take your photos and share them with the group that you're with straight away, so you can all take a piece of the holiday away with you. So it's a good idea to take a nice small bag with you to fit all of your toiletries in, and don't forget the really important ones like your sunscreen and your hand sanitizer. You also don't have to do this, but it is a good idea to keep all of your underwear and delicates in another small bag or in the little fold pocket in your suitcase. Lots of people say that if there's no photo evidence, were you even there? So this is a Gorilla tripod. As you can see, it bends literally every which way, so you can get everyone involved in your picture. All you have to do is put your camera on the top here, and then you can have the beautiful backdrop of the Gili Islands behind you. In the way of clothes, you're going to want to bring some jeans, shorts, t-shirts, jumpers, and activewear. Make sure you check the weather before you go and come prepared with all of these things. It could get a bit chilly in the evening, so a lightweight jumper is always a good idea. And that is everything. You're now completely ready to head off to Bali. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another episode of Packed.